Hello students, today we are here to know about keyboard. I am a keyboard. Here there is the picture of keyboard and here it is written I am a keyboard. Keyboard is giving its own introduction. And what is keyboard? Let's read to know about something more. Keyboard. A keyboard looks like a flat board. It has many buttons on it. Dear students, you may see that keyboard has many buttons on it. These buttons are known as keys. These are known as keys. What are they known? They are known as keys. There are many buttons. How many buttons are there on keyboard? There are many buttons. You can type alphabets and numbers on the computer using it. Whensoever we use computer, to give our information, we have to type. And to type, we have to press the buttons on keyboard. Okay students, as to write something in our notebook, we use pencil. And after using pencil and notebook, what has to be done? We have to write down some letters and words so that we can write down our answers or words. Here is the same. To use computer, whatsoever we want, we have to press these buttons. And every button consists of either numbers or alphabets. These are the alphabets keys. This is a numeric keypad which consists of numbers and this is number keys. Okay students, whensoever we use computer, we want to take out something from computer, we want to type something, it is must for us to use this keyboard to press the button according to our need. Okay students. Here we are to know something about CPU. Look at the picture. This is the picture of CPU. It is saying I am a CPU. CPU is giving its introduction. I am a CPU. CPU is the brain of a computer. As in our body we have brain and it controls all the nervous system and all the action of all parts of body. Similarly here also in computer, CPU is the brain of computer. It controls the working of a computer. It controls all the working of computer's other part. Okay students, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. As here we always say CPU, but what's the full form of CPU? CPU's full form is where C stands for Central, P stands for Processing and U stands for Unit. It controls the working of a computer as our mind controls all our nervous system, all the actions of our other parts of body. Here also CPU plays the same role. I am a mouse. Here is a mouse. Here is a mouse. And it's not a mouse which we see sometime at our home or at our neighbor home. It's a electronic mouse. Okay friends, what is written about mouse here? A mouse gives command to a computer. It has 2 or 3 buttons. It consists of 2 or 3 buttons and it gives commands. When we press it, the information goes to computer and when we press it, then we can see a pointer. There is the pointer, this arrow, mouse pointer. Wheresoever it is in monitor and we press, the things are opened. A mouse is used to move the mouse pointer on the monitor. This mouse pointer is available on the screen. But we don't have capacity to move it by our own self. We have to press and move mouse and only then this mouse pointer is moved. Okay students, and when this mouse pointer is moved, when this mouse pointer indicates something, the things are opened. And that is why it is said that a mouse gives command to a computer, whatsoever it tells, it is opened. Wheresoever on which folder it is pressed, the same folder or file is opened. Okay students, I hope you have understood about these are CPU, mouse, monitor and keyboard, and you have come to know about their main function also.